Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a wig install for you guys today. So if you're a follower on Instagram, you see that I've tried quite a few colors for wigs. I've had green, pink, red, black, but I haven't had blonde yet. So it is a 13 by 4. So far, I mean, I'm not a big fan of the lace. Lace is a little thick, on the thicker side. Yeah. So I think we might be okay to install. It does have a band in the back of it. So if I want to wear it glueless after it's pre-cut, then I can. Anyways, this is a 22-inch by Dorsey hair. Y'all already know what's underneath this bonnet. If you see a bonnet on my head in my videos, just know it's either a bald cap, nappy, or my locks are looking trash. And it's all of the above. But I'm just gonna go in with my tinted, if it can focus, my tinted lace powder. It is by Kiss. I'm not sure. This is in the shade medium dark brown. So, you know, if you're my complexion, I definitely suggest getting this shade. Yeah, I'm kind of thirsty. I'm gonna fix me some water right quick. Never mind, I have some of my Chick-fil-A Powerade mixed with Sprite. Best combo. I used to get that when I worked there. I'm gonna rinse this out. I'm gonna go ahead and make my TikToks. I'm gonna just like kind of film myself on my phone. I did my nails, guys. Ooh. Did my nails, and I got some new bracelets, and I just got my eyelashes done today. Yeah, I'm just gonna take that powder and put it straight onto the lace. Hopefully it doesn't turn the actual hair brown. Okay, I'm gonna put this wig on, y'all. I'm scared because if this looks crazy, okay, I mean, it's not crazy, right? It's cute, right? Looks better on this camera than this camera. Listen, I know my hairline starts like back here, but it doesn't mean I want my wig to start back there. You feel me? You feel me? Okay. So it is kind of small. I'm gonna see if I can adjust it in the back. Okay, so I have my Wonder Lace Bond gold can and my blow dryer. It's just a regular ceramic by, I don't even know, I've had this blow dryer for years. I had a hot comb, but I left it on when I left the house and it didn't burn anything down. It did leave a burn on my desk, but it no longer cuts on. But yeah, I 100%, if you have sensitive skin, Boki. Okay. Okay, look, don't judge me. I know I have 2 lace bands on and I just ripped my lace to like, but it was, trust the process, please, because I'm not trusting myself right now. I'm gonna go back, I can't talk. I'm gonna go back and watch my Married at First Sight. I'll see y'all in like 20 minutes. Okay guys, so I'm back. It's been about 30 minutes, I'm pretty sure. We're gonna undo this baby right here. I'm not sure. Ooh, child. Ooh. Okay, so as you can see, lace is still not giving. We're gonna put some more of this and a little bit of this, and yeah. Okay, so we're back and it's like 4 o'clock. I need to hurry up, but I'm gonna use this spritz. Spritz will be your best friend. It is the firm hold. You're gonna just put it on your finger and dab it on the edge of your lace. Try not to get it in the actual hair because this stuff is strong. But yeah, just kind of do like I'm doing, pressing it into your lace. Hopefully you didn't cut yourself with like scissors or your razor because this will make it burn. Okie dokie. I'm not liking that ashy part of my lace right there. Give a little bit like this type, like that, I'm assuming. My nails are acting like they can't braid today when I literally used the whole live braid. Here we go. So let me show y'all the final product. Can you see this? There we go, like that. I want it to be like that. Okay, we're gonna use edge control to slick this baby up. I really hate to use edge control on a new wig, but however, I don't know what to do with it right now. It's just gonna have to be washed, I'm assuming. No, I think it's the middle. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Is it not enough hair? Should I add more hair? Not a good bad. The tracks are all showing right there. Just hold on. Okay, so it's coming together just a little bit. Big sex. I think the thing is you curl away from your face. I don't know, but I'm gonna curl away from my face. Alright, and I need this to stay.
100 niggas just for 100 bands. What? I don't even got me 100 bands. I'm still gonna make me 100 M's with 100 plans. Give me peso, extendo.
Fun killer, fun killer.
I let it fall. My heart. Does it feel you rose to claim it? It was dark and I was over.
Okay, y'all, I didn't forget about you. I promise I didn't forget about you. I just did my skincare routine. But I figured it out. I figured it out. We're not gonna like, you know what I'm saying? But we got some of it solved. This is the best I could do by myself right now. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I think I did really good. It's melted. Make sure you guys let me do my actual outro. Thank you guys for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and stay tuned for more. There will be more. And yeah, bye. Okay, but I just want to say, like, look at my skin. Look at my skin. Look at it. Look at it. It's giving. If you want a skincare routine, drop a follow. Just tell me. Just let me know. And I got y'all. Yeah. This eats every time. Okay. Bye, y'all.